It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS.
All right, let's do some backstory here. Clay, Kirsten, where did you grow up? We're going all the way back. No, I'm just kidding. Tell us a little bit about how you got into how'd you get into the service industry? Let's start there. Where'd you cut your teeth? How'd you get here?
Well, me and my brother were in road construction for a long period of time. I was in construction for about 11 years. And the business had been acquired by another company, and me and a couple other guys left. And during that transition, my brother, like a lot of people, found a Keith Kalfas video, how to make $500 a day cleaning windows.
Hell yeah, he's in good company.
Yeah, I didn't even know window cleaning was a thing, and this was in 2019, and he, got busy enough doing it part-time the summer of 19 and asked me if I wanted to come one weekend and help him clean windows. And as we were packing stuff up after that first job, it hit me. I was like, this is a business, not like a hobby.
Mm-hmm.
So worked with him throughout that summer and had decided that it was time to make an exit from road construction. And if there was ever a time to, start a business, what better time than now? And we quickly went from, just doing windows. We did windows part-time in 2019. And then last year, we both had left our jobs in construction and started a full-time window cleaning and pressure washing company.
Mm-hmm.
And didn't really have high expectations, but we both left our jobs and we were the, providers for the family. We had to make it work. And we just went all in with really no other option attitude. And had a pretty good first year. It was it's still a huge learning experience with, neither one of us are, real a lot of financial literacy, and had no experience running businesses and managing people to this extent.
Mm-hmm.
And we've kind of transitioned it into two separate businesses, a window cleaning business and a paver / concrete cleaning and sealing business,
mm-hmm.
Which we also do Christmas lights in the fall. And the Christmas lights are a lot of fun. That was right around the corner. And
hell yeah.
We went last year, we ran a couple trucks. I tried to get off the truck as quickly as possible and kind of transition myself into more of like a sales manager's, position.
Mm-hmm.
And my brother oversees a lot of the operations and, still does a lot of the field work. And now here we are coming into the fall of 21 with, we've got 3 production trucks and a sales vehicle and a couple of really good employees. And it's as hard as it is finding help, we've been very fortunate to put together a really top-notch team. And it's been a lot of fun.
Nice. What so for everybody that's watching, we're gonna start diving into financials at some point here, but I like to get into the backstory of it. Kirsten, you got anything to add?
I mean, they wouldn't be where they are without me.
Yeah, well, we all make pretty obvious assumptions, so I'm glad you just nailed it. I
had to make sure everyone was clear.
Somebody's got to keep the shit together.